Alexa, turn family room 1 on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn family room 1 off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn family room 2 on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn family room 2 off.
Okay.
We just got some smart plugs installed from ETEKCITY, and they allow us to control lights through a phone or device app or with voice control through Amazon Alexa. They also work with Google Assistant. Stay tuned to find out more.
Alright, so we are not tech experts, but we do like smart home products.
We've used Amazon Alexa for quite some time now, and we have a few other smart home devices, such as an essential oil diffuser and a bulb. And I think that these plugs from ETEKCITY were probably the easiest to get up and running.
Yes, very simple to use.
They are sold 2 to a box, and let's take a look at the box.
So here's the ETEKCITY box. As you can see, it does list that there are 2 inside, and it is Wi-Fi and outlet oriented.
Now we got 2 boxes. We have 3 installed, 3 plugs installed so far. 2 in the family room, 1 in the living room, and then we have one that we'll show you here.
Along the box, you will find a decent amount of features and specifications on the back. It says that it does work with a wireless distance from outlet to router between 98 and 164 feet, or if you like meters better, 30 to 50 meters. It does list its compatible systems, so Android 4.0 or higher and iOS 7 or higher. It does show the maximum power, which seems to be 1000 watts, and it does tell you the input as well. Now inside the box you do get a quick start guide. You unravel it and you will get all the instructions you need to help easily set up your outlets.
So a lot of people like to use this through your phone app, and in addition to using it with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. So we'll show you what that app looks like. So you can either use the QR code to download the app, or get it from the App or Play Store. It's called VSync, V-E-S-Y-N-C. And that's quick and easy to install. Now you can see from the screen here in the VSync app that we have 3 of these outlets installed. It says, and I've named them, you go in and name them to whatever you want. I put family room 1, family room 2, and living room 1. And I figured, okay, didn't want to put lamp or diffuser or whatever, salt lamp, because I may want to switch out what I have in the plug. And you can just press the button on the app to turn the device on or off. And we're right next to the family room and the salt lamp, which is family room 1, went on and off. And family room 2 is the lamp you saw. Now, that's the 3 plugs. We have a 4th here that we are going to get set up. Show you how easy it is.
Alright, as you can see, I plugged it into the outlet right here. I personally believe that it is easier if you plug it into the bottom, so you are able to use both outlets, whether or not you have one on the top. It gives you more room depending on, where you are and what other stuff you have plugged in.
These are large enough where you couldn't plug 2 of the smart plugs together, but you could put in a traditional plug, still use the upper outlet for that.
Yes.
Now you see a blue light.
Yes, so it's ready to be paired. we're going to go to our app and push the plus button. There we go. And there, Wi-Fi outlet comes right up. I believe it's right here. And we're going to start the setup.
See how easy that is? Okay. Recognized it immediately.
And it does give you written words and instructions on there, so you can, you don't have to use your quick start guide. Now it will ask you to join your Wi-Fi network because it is Wi-Fi oriented, so we're going to do that real fast.
What's great about the phone app for your phone or tablet is that you can use it from anywhere. You don't have to be in the home.
Alright, so it is connecting now. Alright, and now it says connection was successful. So we're going to give it a nice name. We have ours dedicated to the room rather than just a regular device on it.
So just put, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it here. I'm actually going to move it somewhere else. So just put plug 4.
Alright. Just keep, I'm just going to say outlet 4.
Outlet 4, okay.
Enter the device. Now it's completely set up and ready to go.
Okay, so we got a little night light here we can try out.
I'll plug it in. Alright, there we go.
And turn it on.
Make sure that it is on. Whatever you do have plugged in, if it's the lamp, make sure it is on. So we're going to push outlet 4 and turn it on. Turn it on. And there you go.
See how fast that was to add an outlet? And it's really not much more time for the initial setup when you download the app. The only thing you need to be aware of, as with any of the smart devices, smart home devices that I've tried, is that they've all seem to connect with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you have a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi just on your phone or whatever you're using to connect, step down to the 2.4 and then you can go back up to the 5 or whatever speed you have. So turn it on and off a couple of times and show how that works.
Very fast, very efficient. Say you were running out of the house and you're in your driveway and you're like, oh, did I turn my so-and-so on or off? You can probably, or no, you can check the app.
Yeah, you can. And you can do it from your office anywhere. Yeah, not just right outside your home. As long as you have a connection, Wi-Fi connection.
Now, what I would like to point out is that you can set this on a timer. Say there's a certain part of your house that at night it gets too dark and you don't want to fiddle with finding the light switch. You can set it for a certain time of day that you would like for it to turn on.
Yeah, you can set a schedule. So, or if you're away from home a lot, or you're on vacation and you want the security of not having a dark house, you can have the lights go on and off at different times. So there's so much you can do with the timer and the schedule. We haven't done a lot with that so far, but it looks like it's very easy.
So I just clicked start a schedule. I'm going to push start, and I can pick it for, let's just say, 4:25 p.m. since it's about 4:24. So make sure you hit PM. You don't want your lamp or device coming in an AM. Or you can actually pick it for sunset. That's actually a pretty cool setting. Or no, go back there. 4:25. Let's do 4:25 p.m.
Okay, so you should turn it off so you're going to see if it comes on automatically.
Well, yes. So it will turn the outlet off.
Oh, you have it to go off then?
Yes. So it starts off and it will end on at 4:26. And you can repeat. You can say every day, every Wednesday, or you can customize your schedule to the day of week. Say, you're only here 3 out of 7 days of the week, or you only want it to come on weekends, or you want it on every day. So we're just going to hold every day. We don't know. It's a night light. So it's going to start in a minute. I'm going to make sure that's set up. So the timer feature should kick in very shortly. That is a really cool feature for me. Suppose I'm usually home by a certain time when I come back from work, and I can make sure, I get off work at 5. Oh, there we go, just turned off. And it tells you everything in the app.
Okay, so we should now connect this one to Amazon Alexa. That's one additional step, pretty easy.
Alright, so to link Alexa, it's very simple. All you have to do is go to the More button down at the bottom, and it gives you the settings, help, contact, about. You can also link it to your Google Assistant or Google Home, but link to Alexa is right at the top. Gives you all the steps you need.
So I'm going to go in on the iPad and let Alexa know that we have another smart plug. Go to Smart Home. Add device. And it's looking. As I mentioned, we already have 3 of these connected.
And Alexa found outlet 4. As you can see, it comes up right here.
Now let me try it. Alexa, turn off outlet 4.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on outlet 4.
Okay.
So that's connected now.
Alright, a unique part of this app is it does show you the power usage coming from a particular outlet. So you go straight back to home, you pick the device that you want to look into. So we're going to look at outlet 4. And as you can see up at the top, you have a little, it tells you your voltage, energy, and power.
Okay, why don't you go to Family Room 2, which we use more, that one.
Now if our Family Room 2 is not on right now, so we're going to turn it on. And it tells you that its voltage is 121 volts and the power is 21 watts.
So that's a very handy feature. I didn't even realize initially that that was feature was available on these plugs.
Alexa, turn outlet 4 off.
Okay.
So that's a look at the ETEKCITY smart plug.
Please check the description section below to find out more information. Thanks for watching.